Now today I am going to discuss TCS cycle. Only steps will be dealt with. Now when pyruvate enters the pyruvate enters oxaloacetate plus acetyl coenzyme A, pyruvate which comes from glycolysis. This takes up ATP and coenzyme A to give ADP plus PI. Here the enzyme is the carboxylase, that is called biotin. This acts upon oxaloacetate plus acetyl coenzyme A to give when citrate synthase acts upon citrate to give citrate. Now citrate is acted upon by aconitase to give cis-aconitate. Here cis-aconitate is enzyme bound and it gives isocitrate. Cis-aconitate gives isocitrate. This is also acted upon by isocitrate dehydrogenase enzyme to give oxalosuccinate. Now oxalosuccinate gives out CO2, carbon dioxide, and the enzyme is isocitrate dehydrogenase. This gives, after these actions, alpha ketoglutarate is formed. Alpha ketoglutarate. Now this alpha ketoglutarate is acted upon by alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complex, and carbon dioxide gives out. It is given out, and next it is formed succinyl coenzyme A. Succinyl coenzyme A. Succinyl coenzyme A gives GTP, and here succinyl thiokinase is acted upon, and here the coenzyme SH is given out, and here succinate is formed. You have to read the basic book also. This is the only the steps for learning purpose, so that you may perform well in your exams for NEET. Okay. Now succinate is acted upon by succinate dehydrogenase, and FAD gives FADH to give fumarate. Fumarate is acted upon by enzyme fumarase, and H2O is added. Now it gives malate. Malate is given out, and this is then acted upon by malate dehydrogenase, and here NAD gives NADH, and malate dehydrogenase is the enzyme which acts upon malate to give oxaloacetate and plus acetyl coenzyme A. Now here Mg ions are also added. Now oxaloacetate is formed. This completes the TCS cycle. Okay. Now when we give the description of TCS cycle or Krebs cycle, you must also know that TCS cycle is also known as Krebs cycle. Now, here I should give the meanings of the star mark, which means star marks you can add in note. Here star mark means NADH plus H gives NAD. Okay, gives NAD. And in the cycle, you must have noted the number 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way, the reactions number. Here, these are just to memorize this cycle. Okay. Therefore, number 1 is alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. Okay. Alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. Number 2 is dihydroxylipoyl transuccinylase. Dihydroxylipoyl transuccinylase. Here, third point is dihydroxylipoyl dehydrogenase. These are alpha 1, 2, 3. These are also known as alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complex. Okay. Alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complex. Now, alpha ketoglutarate is in this reaction where alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase is acted upon. Here number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 and number 5. In number 1, carbon dioxide, number 1, these are reactions. I am telling the naming the reactions which is number 1. In number 1 reaction, where you can see in the cycle, carbon dioxide is entered. It enters the reaction. In number 2, carbon dioxide reaction, in it is given out. CO2 is given out. In number 3 reaction, coenzyme A, SH is given out. Number 4, in number 4 reaction, H2O enters. Okay. In number 5 reaction, NADH plus H is given out. Given out. Number 6 reaction, 6-GTP is given out. It comes out. It is formed. Given out or it is formed. All are same. In number 7 reaction, FADH is given out. These are minor points where your answer will complete the main questions. You have to just remember these places where these reactions take place, or where what enters and what is given out.